Welcome to ClickFold Plastics. My name is Patrick Altmans. I'm the owner and founder of ClickFold Plastics. I started this company in the year 2001, and I did that because I saw a niche in the marketplace. And that niche exists or what we saw is that there are a lot of manufacturers of custom parts, specialty products, that face the dilemma of not being able to find a suitable enclosure or plastic cover for their parts. And those were the choices that they had up to that point. Number one, injection molding. Beautiful parts, but significant upfront cost in terms of tooling. Suitable for volumes of a minimum 10,000 pieces and up. Customize something off the shelf. Find something in the catalog and try to make it work, which often can be a challenge. Option number two. Or the traditional route that we still see a lot, a custom sheet metal housing and get the cutouts and mounting posts you need in that fashion. What we offer is an alternative to all of these three options. A custom plastic housing without the upfront cost for tooling, the customization that you can get out of sheet metal without the weight, without the need for coating, and a custom look and aesthetics that you cannot get with an off-the-shelf box. Our customers typically come to us because they need enclosures for a specialty part, usually production under 10,000 pieces a year. They need a custom form factor, and they need their product branded. So usually it starts with either receiving a CAD file for the finished product from our customer, or the guts, the circuitry, and we model the enclosure around these internal components. But frequently, we receive a mock-up, something that has been mocked up with an off-the-shelf box, or we receive an existing sheet metal product for conversion to plastic. Once we have that, we model the part in CAD and create a virtual model, enclosure, internals, everything, and submit that for approval to our customer. Once the customer approves these files, we go ahead and generate the CNC files that drive our machines, our printer, and the thermoline bending process. All this typically takes about a week, a couple of days to generate the CAD files, and then usually a few more days to produce the prototype. Part of the design process, of course, is selecting the appropriate material for the product and for the environment in which it is used. We have a number of ABS polycarbonate, and polycarbonate grades that come in a variety of colors, textures, and gauges, as well as frosted, clear, or tinted materials. In addition to choosing the appropriate material, we can also decide what kind of graphics we want to see on the part. In this case, clear, printed from the backside for a highly wear-resistant graphics, but we can also print directly onto the substrate. Labels, logos. The digital flatbed printer gives us the capability to put down photographic quality, multicolor at the same cost of conventional silkscreen. Furthermore, we can provide shielding by applying an electromagnetic coating, a nickel-based conductive coating that will protect from radio transmissions and other interference. Not only that, we can also apply a two-component polyurethane coating to give the parts very high weatherability and UV stability. And finally, we can apply hydrographics to the part. A virtually unlimited array of patterns such as camouflage, burl wood, or a fake carbon fiber, just to mention a few. This opens the door for our customers to have low volume products with the aesthetics and the quality that you will only see typically in high-end consumer good and high volume applications. So let me walk you through the process. We start by CNC machining the flat patterns, which later become ClickFold part. After the CNC machining, the parts run through the digital flatbed printing process, which is followed by an edge trim and then by the CNC-controlled thermal line bending process. And then the parts converge on assembly, where we add solvent weld the components together and add things like standoffs and metal inserts in this case. And then comes the click part. That was easy. This compact 4-step process allows us to fill short order runs in a very short lead time with minimal setups, which is what our customers are looking for. So, here's a typical finished product. Let's look at this particular example. You've got the LED lights with their respective labels, the custom logo, again a logo and a pattern of fine lines on the top surface. More importantly, very fine print on the back labeling each port and giving some recycling information and some safety information. And of course on the sides, both sides, the bend pattern and the grid of fine lines that set this product apart from its competitors. But the key thing is that this product, all the CAD files, the print files reside on our server, ready to be called up at any given time without the need for any kind of setup or any kind of fixtures, meaning this product can be rerun at minimal cost at any given time. Let's talk about fulfillment and shipping. In addition to manufacturing the part, we also do some assembly work, integrate third-party components, such as this meter here, hand bolts, sometimes integrate the circuitry, and even further, provide custom packaging where needed, such as here. So this means we can take our customers from a mock-up, from an initial prototype, to a clean-looking finished product that's ready for the market, or upgrade them from a conventional sheet metal housing to a seamless, lightweight, custom plastic housing, and all of this can be done usually within less than a month. We ship worldwide using FedEx, UPS, and DHL, and notify our customers, provide them with tracking information the moment we ship. This means that we can take our customers from their initial mock-up to a clean-looking finished product, or take them, upgrade them from a conventional sheet metal housing to a clean, lightweight, and seamless plastic housing in less than a month. I would like to encourage you to send us your CAD files or your product and find out what we can do for you.